Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I give you comparison between two of the best real estate companies, Brigade Enterprises and Prestige Estate. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about this comparison, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up on for short-term, long-term calls. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, and you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months, so that's a 16% discount. For detailed market or company talk, directly contact me on mail. Also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, kindly take monthly subscription on YouTube. So that is also available for you with payment options which are diverse from a credit card. And all benefits of Patreon will be available on YouTube. Now about this industry, the real estate industry. So pandemic broke the back of the industry during 2020. So from FY20 till now, the industry is still grappling with a lot of issues. So with RERA coming in and many other kind of reforms that has come in the real estate sector, plus the pandemic. So what it entailed was a lot of slowdown in selling of a lot of property that was already made, and stocks tumbled like nine pins during the pandemic period, and things looking much brighter as things have gotten normal and things are looking much better. Yes, there is a scare of the third wave, there is a scare that the pandemic may return in some way or the other, and so the stocks have corrected from the top, the market has corrected from the top. So I think it is priced in, but overall, if you look at in the last 2 years, things are looking much better at this point of time than say 1.5 years back. There are some green shoots coming up with a lot of deals happening and a lot of consolidation happening in this space. So I believe that top firms will continue to do well as luxurious homes are selling well. So these are the two largest, one of the best, not quite the largest, but probably the best of the best real estate companies that I'm comparing at the moment. So we look at Brigade Enterprises. The market cap is around 11,500 crore. Prestige has a market cap of around 19,000 crore. You need to understand that most of the real estate companies are not trading at very high market cap, say 3, 4, 7, 10 lakh market crore. Something like a Godrej property is at its peak was around 65,000 crore market cap or something like that, 65,000. That's just about it. So that's what the peak would be. So even 19,000 crore market cap is not small in such industry. Operating profit margin of 26% in Brigade, much better in Prestige at around 29%. Return on equity of 12% is very strong in a Prestige Estate. Prestige is trading at 2.5 times sales, whereas Brigade is trading at 4 times sales. So Prestige looking much better on this matrix, while around 13.5% FIIs and 24% DII are invested in Brigade. This number is around 26% of and 5.5% for Prestige Estate respectively. So much better again in that terms. uh, Return on capital employed much better in Prestige Estate at 12.5%, and stock is up around 128% for Brigade Enterprise. It's gone up a lot, more than doubled over the last 12 months. Whereas Prestige Estate, the stock is up around 60%, no more than that. Even if you take in the move that took place just recently for the past 2 3 weeks, it's up around 60 62%. Promoter holds around 65% stake in Prestige, and the PE of Prestige Estate is around 45 times. So Brigade had a bad one of the quarters for this year were bad, and that's why PE is looking exorbitantly high for it. So, in a nutshell, both are top notch companies, but valuation still attractive in the overall industry. I think the overall industry altogether over the next 3 to 5 years should do extremely well. Prestige Estates looks more attractively priced here if you look at the numbers, etc. Uh, and if you have Brigade from lower levels, yes, absolutely, then hold, because Brigade Enterprises has a smaller market cap, so should do well once things get going. I think both should do well as demand will pick up probably from second half of next year, calendar year. I think next 2 3 months could be difficult as the infections are surging, but things will look much better from June, July onwards, or from the monsoon season, once the monsoon season is over next year. So, scope of market cap appreciation more in Prestige compared to Brigade, but business front both should do well. So my call is both are top class firms. Prestige more attractive in terms of valuations, but Brigade has better projects. What you can do is probably split the money into two. I think you should be having a couple of real estate companies into your 5 year portfolio, because this is a sector that has been ignored, that has not done well, ignored by the governments, and ignored by the investors, and has done absolutely nothing for the last 12 13 years. I think it's about to come back into focus, and focus big time. So only take small positions, say 6 7% in both the stocks. So combined around 14% in both the stocks, and hopefully they'll perform well for the next 3 to 5 years. So this was a video on the comparison between these two stocks. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.